representing.
What can you give?
No, ma'am, iPhone.
Give him a big hand, ma'am.
That's right, I'm introducing him.
Yes, ma'am.
Gentlemen, please give a big, big hand to Brian.
A big hand.
Good afternoon, gentlemen, and to our beautiful Professor Miss Nestle Gallardo.
Whoa.
In Washington, a solar panel is coming to President Barack Obama, the most famous president in America, which has already boosted the green credentials of planting tree and garden. Plans to install solar panel at the top of the White House living quarter. The solar panel are to be installed by spring of 2011 and will be used by heating water for the first family and supply some electricity. Gentlemen, I'm here in front of you to tell why solar panel is the best and the most important invention for me. Solar panel is another source of electricity. Solar panels are used to convert the light from the sun into electrical energy. It is accidentally discovered by Antonio Cuésar Becquerel in French in 1839. Solar panel is a group of a solar cell. This solar cell that is produce electricity. There are many types of there are many kinds of things that use solar panel. For example, the calculator that we use. There are types of calculator that have a solar panel. Sometimes it have an electric fan. Also a light. It has a solar panel. Because I choose this solar panel as the most important, because solar panels, like the coal is dirty, the oil and natural gases are serious, nuclear power is dangerous to our health, not only, but also to our environment. But the solar panel use solar energy that is free, is abundant, and safe, and not dangerous. You know that ISS or the International Space Station as the largest solar power system even taken in space. It measures 73 meters thick and that provides electricity in 15 ohm. I imagine a future where every house or office, every man, woman, and child will use the solar panel because solar panel is free, safe, and not dangerous not only to human. And not dangerous. Before I go, I live in front of you. I will say, sun will rise tomorrow. Thank you.